Good morning everyone. My name is Professor Swapnil S. Sudke of SND COE and Research Center, Evla, working as Assistant Professor at Electrical Department. Now today we will discuss the subject of Advanced Microcontroller and Embedded System, in which we discuss the Unit 5, that is ADC structure and LCD interfacing. In this unit we discuss the topic, that is implementation working of temperature measurement using PIC microcontroller. First of all, we see the point, that is measurement of temperature using PIC microcontroller, in which first we see the point, that is implementation. In implementation, we use the LM35 temperature sensor for measuring the temperature by using the PIC microcontroller programming. The LM35 temperature sensor converts temperature into its proportional analog voltage value. Then LM35 is 3-terminal device. Then pin number 1 and 3 are for 5 volt voltage supply. Then pin 2 is analog voltage output with respect to temperature value. Then relation between measured temperature and analog output voltage is 1 degree Celsius is equal to 10 M volt. That is 1 degree Celsius is equal to 10 millivolt. Hence, for every 1 degree increase in temperature, there will be a increment of 10 millivolt in output voltage of LM35 sensor. That is, this LM35 temperature sensor is directly proportional to the analog voltage value. Then PIC 16F877A microcontroller is used to measure analog voltage value, which is directly proportional to the temperature which is measured by the LM35 temperature sensor. Then PIC 16F877A microcontroller built in ADC, that is analog to digital converter, is used to measure analog voltage. Then PIC 16F877A port A have 7 built-in ADC channels, so one can interface up to 7 sensors with this microcontroller very easily. Then suppose I will post a project on greenhouse system. In greenhouse system project, I have used 4 ADC channels to measure temperature, light, humidity and moisture. Then coming back to our digital thermometer, ADC has been used to read the analog voltage. After reading ADC value using voltage and temperature relationship, voltage is converted back into temperature, that is temperature value of its equivalent voltage. A conversion factor is used to convert voltage back into temperature. All this conversion has been done through programming. LCD is connected to port B of PIC 16F877A microcontroller. Then suppose I will discuss it in programming part. So we can also discuss in the programming part and LCD and also in the LM35 temperature sensor. Then LCD is used to display temperature value. Then code. In programming part, conversion factor is used to convert voltage back into temperature. The conversion factor is 1 volt is equal to 100 degree. So we can calculate the temperature value by using this formula. That is, temperature is equal to output voltage into 100 degrees Celsius per volt. Then theory and working of LM35 temperature sensor. First is theory. In this mini project we have used PIC microcontroller and a 4-digit 7-segment display is interfaced with it. For sensing the surrounding temperature we have used a temperature sensing IC, that is LM35. Then you can use a voltmeter to cross check whether the indicator giving correct output or not. The output of the temperature in terms of volts will be in the range of millivolt. Then next point is that working of LM35 temperature sensor. LM35 is an integrated temperature sensor. It produces output voltage proportional to the temperature. The advantage of using LM35 is that it does not require any external calibration technique and it has accuracy of plus minus 0.4 degrees Celsius at room temperature. Then it draws only 60 microampere from supply and possesses low self-heating. Then thus the chances of error get minimized. The next point is that advantages of LM35 temperature sensor. The advantages are, there are many other advantages of LM35 temperature sensor, like it is more efficient than thermistor. It is made up of integrated circuit, hence no chance of damaging to internal circuitry. It draws current only in microamperes. Only 5 volt power supply is required for LM35 temperature sensor and there is no need of extra circuitry to operate it. Then PIC 16F877A microcontroller is used to read temperature value. Then 16:2 LCD is used to display the temperature value on LCD display. Then code of this project written in macro C compiler. Thank you.